Hi friends, Mr. Stevie here. I just wanted to make a quick video to talk about National Meditation Month, which is this month, and give you 3 tips on how to celebrate. What is National Meditation Month? Well, like Women's History Month and other months throughout the year, National Meditation Month is meant to bring attention to a special cause. In this case, it's for all of us to be more relaxed, more focused, and more mindful. And that makes this month the perfect time for you to start a meditation practice, or to get back to meditating if you haven't done it in a while. If you need help or have questions, check out our series, Meditation Basics for Children. Or if you want to get right into meditating, check out our playlist of guided meditations for kids. So here's 3 tips on how you can make the most out of Meditation Month. 1, start meditating or sitting in silence. It doesn't have to be for a long time, just for a minute or 2. Find a quiet place to sit, close your eyes, and focus on your breath for 1 full minute or longer. You can time yourself using a cell phone or a tablet, or you can ask your parents for help. Once you're finished, go back to the rest of your day or write down how you feel. That little micro meditation will make a huge difference and make you more relaxed. 2, be more mindful throughout the day. When you brush your teeth, focus on each scrub. When you do your homework, take your time. When you're playing outside, notice the ground under your feet and the clouds in the sky. Whatever you're doing, try to be mindful while you do it. 3, if you haven't meditated in a while, find some guided meditations online that you like and do them. That's one way to get back into practicing. Another is asking your parents or siblings or your friends to meditate with you. And another way is to join me on one of my 2 upcoming live streams that I'll be doing to celebrate Meditation Month. So let's talk about that. Later this month, I'm going to be hosting 2 live streams on my YouTube channel. I want to invite you and your family to join me so we can meditate together on the internet. We will do a simple breathing exercise in the morning where we set a positive intention for the day. It'll last about 5 minutes. The first group meditation takes place May 21st, which is Global Meditation Day, a day where kids and adults from around the world use mindfulness to promote world peace. The second event takes place May 30th, which is National Meditation Day, meant to promote relaxation exercises in our communities. You can find out more information on our Instagram and Facebook. So there you have it, several ways to celebrate Meditation Month. I'm excited, and I'm looking forward to meditating with you, my friends. Let me know what you think about Meditation Month and how you plan to celebrate in the comments below. And before I forget, I just want to thank all of you for being so supportive in watching my videos and subscribing to the channel. Keep meditating, friends, and stay calm.